Hey everybody, it's Sherry V and this is a daily makeup tutorial. Okay, my face is already moisturized. Every day makeup I'm gonna do in my eyebrows. Next thing you're gonna need is concealer. This the cheap kind. Pro Girl Concealer, LA Pro Girl Concealer. So I'm doing daily makeup. I'm gonna get one that's kind of closer to my skin tone. I don't like to conceal directly under your eye. Don't conceal directly up under there, because that's how you end up creasing like really bad. So just a tad bit at the bottom. Yup. And then I'm gonna put on my chin and my forehead right there, and then I'm just gonna go right there like this, my little T, and that's it. Then you're gonna take a wet sponge. This sponge is very wet. If you want a more natural application, you need a beauty blender. See? And so it makes it look natural. Ta-da! Y'all, start setting your makeup. I don't know why y'all don't do that, but set your makeup. You need that. It's gonna help it stay on the rest all day. It's gonna help it stay on, and it also will help with if you are oily. It helps with oiliness. So set your makeup. If you ain't setting it, don't do that. Stop doing it. It's a waste of makeup. You got to set to your makeup. And you want to make sure you get your powder at the bottom so you won't crease. Now, this is an important part. You have to put some type of brown on your other areas. That way, you won't be looking like a ghost. You won't be looking like Casper. You want to be looking like a honey bun. Oh, Lord. Now, this one is broken. I use this my it's falling, y'all. It's my Revolutionary Glow. It's messed up in the color deep. And I'm just gonna take that. And then I'm just gonna go down in these little areas. And up here on the forehead. Y'all got stuff everywhere. Now, when I'm doing my daily makeup, I don't normally wear eyeshadow. Let me show you what I do. I take this, do a little imprint there. An imprint there. And then I get it there, I get it, and then I put a little spot right here. And then I just bring it on over. You see how that just makes that? That's how I do it. That's how I do it. Real lazy like. And I'm gonna do that to the other side. See? And then brush out. Brush outward. So I'm gonna take this finishing spray, and this is the Milani Make It Last. Literally all of this that I'm using it's old makeup. It's old makeup. In my old videos, I list everything. Your favorite lip gloss? Mascara? Looks good to me. And this is just my daily little do. So if you enjoyed this video and you made it to the end, thank you. I appreciate it. You just don't know. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It is Bina. Stay tuned to the loo.